Hey guys, it's Bar. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So guys, today's video is going to be another morning routine. I haven't filmed a video like this in a while. Of course, I don't do the same thing every single day. I do have a routine when it comes to a few things, but that's all. So I'm about to make breakfast. For breakfast today, I will have protein pancakes. I usually have oats and eggs, but today I just wanted to spice it up a little bit. So here we have our situation. So for my protein pancakes, I will use wheat flour, almond milk, 1 scoop of protein powder. I also have chia seeds, and also I'm gonna put 1 scoop of this collagen peptides. Is from Women's Best. It's gluten-free, lactose-free, and sugar-free. It has vitamin C inside and hyaluronic acid, which is really good for your hair, your skin, and your nails. And also it has 20 grams of collagen per serving. Here I have the goodies. I made myself a matcha latte with almond milk. Let me know if you want me to create a proper video showing you how I make my matcha latte. Taste test. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, I will eat my breakfast, I will have my matcha, and I will see you in a minute. So guys, today I have one of those days that I feel very ugly. I don't know if you have felt this before. I feel like I want to make myself feel a little bit more presentable. So I'm about to do my makeup. Also, I need to do my tan today because I'm super pale. As you can see the difference with my face. My foundation doesn't match right now. Just a little bit of concealer. Also guys, I need to clean my brushes. They're super disgusting. A little bit of color. I love doing my makeup so much. Always changes my mood and makes me so much happier. These two guys are my favorite brow gels. They're both Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think they're the best brow gels. Okay guys, I just got ready. I'm wearing this white crop top with these cargo trousers, and on top I put this jacket, and also I'm gonna wear my New Balance. And with my hair, we'll just leave it like this. I just brushed it. Okay guys, so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my new goals. Okay, so now the spring is here and we're getting closer to summer. I feel so much more motivated, and I don't know, my mood has changed a lot on a daily basis. That's because I feel so much happier that the weather is getting warmer and the day is longer. In general, I really like winter and fall seasons, don't get me wrong. Now I feel like I'm over it. I feel like I'm really into the warmer weather, the summery clothes and things like this. Okay, so for one of my new goals is to get up earlier in the morning. Now that the day starts earlier, I really like waking up that early so I can have a slow morning and give myself some time to relax, eat my breakfast, and then start with the day. So my second goal is to get back on track. Also, I want to create a video with getting back on track. I want to start eating a little bit healthier. I want to get fitter. I want to tone my body a little bit more. This is something that I do every spring and every time that we're getting closer to summer. Not that there's something wrong if you don't have a toned body, don't get me wrong. It's just something that works for me and motivates me to just get into a healthy routine, I would say. It's just something that I like to do. Also want to be more consistent with my workouts. So I'm using the Beyond app. It's one of my favorite fitness apps. They have so many plans, home plans, gym plans, Pilates, stretches, ab workouts, anything you need. And yeah, I've noticed that if you use a plan, it keeps you very consistent with your workouts and you can easily see the progress that you want. I'm currently doing the picture plan at the gym and so far, so good. And last but not least, I always want to keep my space clean and tidy because like I've said before, tidy space, tidy mind. Also guys, I forgot to show you my new pre-workout. It's by Women's Best. It's this one. It tastes amazing, one of the best flavors I've ever tried. I've used this a couple of times and so far it's really good. Okay guys, so I just got home. Let's have a food haul very quickly. So I bought this cottage cheese, protein cottage cheese. I bought 2 of these ginger sauce. I bought mushrooms, iceberg, my favorite avocados, bananas, another pack of mushrooms, tomatoes, red peppers, and a few pears. This is everything I got. And also I bought this very beautiful flower. Let's do it. Okay guys, please ignore my hair because... So I'm gonna leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. My goal for this video was to give you some inspiration and to motivate you to be more organized and more productive with your morning routine. Write me in the comments below what you want to see next. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And give this video a big thumbs up. I will hopefully see you in my next video.